Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a super affordable all drugstore makeup tutorial for back to school. Something quick, easy, very natural, but still gives you that nice glowy look with a little bit of gloss and, you know, just make you look wide awake and put together. If you are in school or college, let me know in the comments which grade you're in or which semester, anything like school related, because I'm very curious and I want to get to know you guys more. So I already did my eyebrows. I know I really need to do a eyebrow routine. I just have so much to do, you guys, but best believe that will be coming really soon though. Before I went in with my eyebrows, I did use my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and you can use this on your body or on your face. I recently just bought this. This moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, and it's lightweight on the skin. Then I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip primer just to prime my face, and this is a really good primer. This will make your makeup last the whole entire day, not have it move or no, like this is really good, and it's compared to a high-end makeup product. I forgot, I think it's Glossier, honestly forgot, but this really grips onto the skin. It does have like a little sticky feeling to it, but it doesn't make your hands feel sticky or face feel sticky. It just has a nice grip to it. Since I do have a little bit of acne scabs and little scarring and redness, I really don't want it to show, even though the foundation I'm going to be using is going to help with that a lot. But just in case, just to add another layer of coverage really quick, I am going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Peach. And this doesn't take that long to blend out. Just make sure that you don't put too much, because a little bit can go a really long way. Almost forgot to mention that I did add some Vaseline. Look already, the LA Color Pro Conceal really helps a lot. Then I'm going in with foundation, and you guys probably already know, but if you don't and if you're new here, I love the Matte and Poreless foundation by Maybelline. This works so good. I will forever rave about this, and this is only like under $6. I have the normal to oily combination skin type. They also have a normal to dry one, but I need the oily because, you know, throughout the day our skin, or at least for my skin, it will get oily throughout the day. We want this makeup look to last like from 7 in the morning to 10 p.m, like literally hours. Actually, let me go in with the one that I've been using, and I have a little bit more left. Like, I'm trying to scrape all of this up. Like, I don't care if it's affordable or not. I'm trying to get my money's worth, every little penny and everything. So I'm gonna go in with this much that I have left right now. Then I'll go in with the new bottle. I'm taking my Paw Wonder sponge, and I got this off of Amazon. It came with a 6-pack for under $10. This works so good. It doesn't absorb too much product. Look how easy it is to blend this foundation. With the Maybelline foundation, I am in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Now for concealer, we're going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and this concealer is so good to use underneath your eyes and just highlighting certain areas on your face. Y'all do not be like me and take off the sponge off of this, because now I'm struggling to like get the product out, and I have to spread it with my hands, well not my hands but my finger, and it's just doing too much. Speaking of back to school, when do you guys go back to school or back to college? Let me know if you are going back to school, which grade you're in, or if you're in college, what courses are you taking? Like, I'm very curious. I'm actually not in college, but when I was in high school, I was thinking I was going to college, but It's honestly not for me right now at this point, I should say, in my life. Maybe I'll go to school in the future. Really depends how my life is in the future. But right now, college is not really on my mind. I'm just really happy that I graduated with honors while I was in high school, so it gives me that type of comfort in a way to be like, okay, at least I graduated with honors, or graduated in National Honor Society, because they were really trying to be petty with my diploma. But that's a different story for a different day. Look how bright my under eyes are. Look at the coverage. It's a really lightweight concealer, but it gives really nice coverage. Next, we're going to bronze up the face and contour a little bit. So I am going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Suede. And this is not going to be like a harsh contour. I just wanted to add some color to my face. Keep in mind that LA Girl Pro concealers are literally under $5, so these are really affordable to get. I'm taking my e.l.f. complexion duo brush and I'm using this side just to blend that out. Then I'm going back in with the sponge just to make sure that everything is looking flawless and seamless and nothing's looking cakey, and so that everything will be blended out evenly. I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I love using the e.l.f. Putty blush, and this is in the shade Turks and Caicos. I'm going to be using this mini dual fiber stippling brush by Beauty Junkies. With this blush, I definitely love using a setting spray, like any type of regular setting spray, and just spray it inside a little bit so it can be a little bit damp, and putting it on the back of my hand just to warm it up. I like putting some on my forehead so I can have like a little sun-kissed look on my forehead. Look how pretty this blush is, and it looks so natural, and it's not too much. Like, it's so good. The powder I've been loving lately that I recently reviewed too is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I did a whole dedicated review on this powder, and I highly recommend you guys watching that. This is a really good powder to use, and it's so affordable. And then I'm just gonna go in with this triangular powder puff and just apply it just like this underneath my eye. I'm gonna do a little bit of baking because personally I love some baking, but I'm not gonna bake that long. Got some on my eyes a little bit because I do have oily eyelids. Some here. For bronzing up the face and also setting the face, setting the bronzer that we applied, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the shade 360 Mocha, and this is the perfect bronzing shade, contour shade for me. I love using this as a contour bronzer. Works so good, and this is only $5 or under $6 to get. And with the brush I'm using, I love using the Pro Sculptor brush. This works so good and it blends out the powder so well. Apply it just like that and blend it upward so our face can look snatched and not puffy, because I know in the morning some of our faces can look puffy since we just woke up, and it takes time for our face to like go down with the swelling. I'm going back in with my complexion duo brush, and I am going to be contouring and bronzing my nose because I forgot to cream contour. So I'm just going to be doing that. Then I'm taking my Pro Setting brush again and just tapping off the bake. Now it's time to add some blush since I didn't set the blush yet, so I'm going to be using my Milani blush in the shade Dulce Pink. I love this blush so much. It has a nice highlight to it and it gives a really pretty, beautiful color. And this is compared to the NARS Orgasm blush. Take this much and look how it gives a nice glow to the skin. You don't even need a lot. Like, you can just apply this much and be good. Honestly, you don't even have to add any highlight because technically this blush already has some nice highlight to it. So now for the eyeshadow, we really don't want to add too much because we kind of just want to look natural and wide awake. Our eyes may be looking a little bit bland, so I feel like we should be adding some color. So I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder again, using this Best Taupe brush that I got from Amazon, and it comes with the whole entire set, like a 16 brush set for only, I think, under $15, or not even 15, like under $12 for sure. And these work so good. They work like they're high quality, like you'll see them at MAC or something. And I'm just using this type of brush for my crease and just apply this much and just add it like this, you know, just not too much, just to add some shape and color. And look at that, it definitely gave our eyes some more definition. I'm just gonna go back in with the blush a little bit and just take a little bit and just add it right here and right here. Not too much to where like we have a pink eye, but enough to where it's looking natural and that we have some definition to our eyes, and it looks like that we didn't even add any type of eyeshadow or anything to our eyes. This part is optional because, like I said earlier, you don't even have to add any highlight to your cheeks area, but I do have to add some highlight with my inner corner and brow and nose and maybe my forehead and chin. But I am going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Gorgeous. I love the shade of this highlighter. It's not even too pearly, like it's not too gold. It's literally the perfect combination. And I am going to be using another Best Taupe brush, adding some highlighter here and on the nose and, like, you know, the little small areas. So I'm just gonna add some like that. And look how natural that looks. Some here. And a little bit on my brow area. Then I'm going in with the setting brush by Real Techniques and add a little bit of highlight right here. This is really optional. You really do not have to add highlight right here, but I love me some highlight. And I did want to add some on my forehead, chin, you know, give myself a little glow and not look too matte. Now I'm just gonna add some brow glue to my eyebrows since I didn't set them yet. I'm just going to be using the NYX brow glue. Just use this to set my eyebrows. Well, now for my favorite part, the lashes. And I'm just going to be using my telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. I definitely recommend you guys getting this mascara in the waterproof form because it'll last way longer. And this mascara really helps with lengthening more than volume, which I don't really care for the volume. Just want the length. It's not gonna matter anyway because I am going to be applying falsies. The falsies I'm gonna show you guys literally looks like I have lash extensions. The falsies I'm going to be using in this video are these ones, and these have been viral on TikTok, and I really want to use these in this video because lash extensions are really popular right now. I heard that the band is very flexible, and this is just a really pretty style, so I'll link these down below for you guys. For the glue I'm going to be using, it's the Luxe by Envy, and this is the strip lash glue in the shade black. I prefer using black, but if you're a beginner, please use clear glue. That's what I used until I started using the black once I got the hang of like applying them right. And a really good kind is from Kiss. It's pretty much like this, like with the wand and everything, but it's the brand Kiss. To open my eyes up and make them more bigger and brighter, I am going to be using the Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eyeliner, and I believe this is in the shade Nude. It's time for the lips, one of my favorite parts when it comes to doing makeup. I'm going to be taking the NYX Professionals Makeup Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Nutmeg, and I love this brown color, and I need to sharpen this too. Oh my gosh. And this is like a really pretty light brown shade. It's not like pure brown, but it has like a lightness to it. I'm gonna take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Caro. I only have a little bit left, so I'm just gonna use the leftovers of this. Then I'm gonna add some gloss, and I'm gonna use the Essence Extreme Shine Gloss in the shade Nude Mood. I just love like a light pink gloss. The applicator on this is perfect for the lips. You don't want to use too much because it is a little bit pigmented, which is good. I love a pigment gloss. And since it does have like a little plumping to it, you will feel a little bit of tingleness, but that will go away because the plumping of it doesn't last long anyway. Now for setting the face, I'm going to use the Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. And this is perfect, especially if you have oily skin like me, and throughout the day you want this makeup look to last and not get so oily quick. This would be perfect to use, but unfortunately I have like a little defect on the spray portion of it, so I did put the product in a random little sprayer perfume thing that I had for many years, so if it looks like I'm spraying perfume on my face, I'm not. Even though that's a matte setting spray, you still get that nice healthy glow on your skin still. I'm going to be adding this mascara on the bottom lashes because this isn't waterproof, but like I said, I recommend you guys getting the black version, which is waterproof. So I hope you guys enjoy this full affordable drugstore makeup tutorial for back to school, and let me know what other back to school content you'd like to see from me, and let me know in the comments what you think about this makeup look. Like, have you guys tried out some of these products before, or thinking about trying this? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.